judgment. I know I have the days, it's funny and it's ironic. On one thing I wanna make you a different, and everyone makes mistakes, but just don't. I heard that you're an actor, so act like a stand-up guy. Whatever difficult inside you, you're landing out tonight. I tell them it's just your culture, but everyone goes their eyes. I know I'm asking, baby. Please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please.